Did you know a simple case of hiccups can turn someone into a mad scientist? Meet Panda, who got the hiccups and immediately transformed into a medical researcher. First, he analyzed his breathing patterns with charts and graphs. Then he tested every folk remedy known to mankind, from holding his breath to drinking water upside down. But that wasn't enough. He studied diaphragm psychology, created complex treatment protocols, and developed a 23-step hiccup prevention system. The irony? His elaborate cure took 3 hours to complete, while his hiccups lasted only 2 minutes.